right, so guys, hey, this thing, somebody painted this door before, so I'm taking everything off of here, because when I get done painting, I want everything done right. And if you see the paint is just peeling off of here, that's because whoever painted this, they didn't scuff this up at all. So all of this got to be took down, and I got to scuff all of this up and get all of this white paint off of here and get all of this stuff out. So the door's in really good shape though, but look like it's been body work done right in here, because that's bent up a little bit. But I'm taking all of this stuff off of here now. All right guys, so like we're taking these off. This was just like a push pin clip there. You take off, then you push this one on top, this come off. But what I'm trying to do now is get this out of here, and I never took these off, so I'm gonna see. Okay, it just pulls right out of there. That's what I was hoping for. So I just put a piece of wood to give myself leverage and get that off. Now this is a 2007 Dodge Chrysler, because actually guys, what I want to do is I want to take all of this stuff off, because I think what I'm going to end up having to do, this window got tinted window, so I'm going to have to take this window out. So I want to take my time and try to get this off of here. So I'm going to get a razor and try to cut this all off of here. I want to try to cut this off without tearing up the plastic. Alright, so guys, check it out. See this? Whoever painted this, they didn't scuff the paint, and you know, it's just a real cheap job. The door was gray, but this is a really nice door. I'm looking inside there. This is a really nice door all the way around. So yeah, this is nice. Like I said, it was gray. So you see the paint. If you don't scuff the car right, guys, that's what happened. That paint ain't gonna stick on there. So the good thing is, like, most of this will probably sand off real easy. So I'm gonna sand it and see how easy this come off. And then I'll come in and scuff it up real good and get ready to jam this, the color that the car is gonna be. All right guys, so let me show you here. All right, so this is sanding up pretty good. I gotta spray it off, but I gotta sand all of this white off of here. So when people, you know, body man, he always tell you he don't like to go behind other people's work. See, this is like making the job just, you know, this is making the job just, you know, much harder to deal with. But this is why people, if somebody tell you they don't like going over somebody's work, this is why. All right, so in this area, I'm gonna use the scuff stuff before I even sand up here. I just want to get this all dulled up. Now I'm not gonna worry about painting all of this gray. I'm not gonna worry about getting all of that, the red, the color of the car. But in this area here, I want to make sure this is all painted, so when I put the trim on here, all of this will be painted. All right, so check this out. Sometimes, like, this is why you want to make sure your areas are scuffed good. Cause just say, like, if you power wash and have to blow or something, you can have paint just chip off of there. But let me come in and finish this up.